Today's the day! Shark skin gray is the color that we ended up going with. Are you ready? Alright, last coat is on. I hate to do this to you guys. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out and stay committed. Alright, I'm really sorry I had to do that to you guys. I literally just ended the video. We don't have a lot of time. Courtney, I'm sorry you're in here breathing this. Here, let me give you my mask. You wear the mask. I'll just not wear the mask.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Oh, you look great in this mask.
And my PJs?
And your PJs and my jacket and everything you're wearing is just a great combo deal. There's a bug landing up there. Alright. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you guys are having a great day. I ended yesterday's video 2 seconds ago because I want to do a nice reveal for you guys. And I feel like that video was getting very long, so what we got to do now, as you can tell by me not talking and just doing stuff, is it's a little time crucial. You could just try and peel this, but like I was saying in yesterday's video, because there was no already lip, I kind of created my own lip with the tape. So the dip bridged right onto the tape that I put down. So basically, I'm just trying to cut the bridge so that I can peel the dip, or peel the tape, without peeling the dip. So I'm gonna try and peel a little bit up here and see how we do. This is like where I'm gonna either completely ruin the car or not completely ruin the car, you know? Alright. We're not doing bad. We're not doing bad. Come on. Yeah, that's freaking awesome, man. That's literally what we needed. It's because it's still wet. That's why I ended yesterday's video and just didn't even stop. There, that's good. The fog lights, honestly, I don't care about the fog lights as much as I care about the doors. I think the doors are more important than the fog lights. So we're just gonna immediately transfer. All right, so yeah, see how that's coming apart better now? See right here when I pull, nothing happens. It's pulling the dip off the car when I'm pulling. When you cut it, separating it. I know you guys probably understand by now, but for those of you that didn't, see, that's what we're looking for. Just the black. We just want the black. Thankfully, it's working out okay. Like I said, I can come back and touch up those little hangy parts.
Got some good peel porn here.
Peel porn! Oh, I gotta put the peel porn music. Is this gonna look like a 12-year-old dipped it? No. Is it gonna look like a 6-year-old couldn't color inside the lines? It probably will. It is getting harder, and they actually came out not too bad. Like, it's not fantastic. No, it's got some peelies, it's got some uglies, but like, we're all got some uglies and peelies, right? Everybody's got uglies and peelies. Take them. No, but I will see you guys in the morning. You guys are probably gonna hate me for this, but I think this video is gonna be delayed by a day. So last night, my plan was, obviously I released the dip video today. My plan was to finish everything up today and release this video tomorrow, but it's pouring rain like it always does in Vancouver. So tomorrow's supposed to be a nice day. And I would like to do like a reveal video and show you guys, oh, it still looks so good. Anyways, I'd like to show you guys what it looks like outside in the light. I actually have a cool idea, something I thought I might want to do, but the actual video may not come out for another day because I doubt this rain's gonna clear up, so I'm really sorry I did that to you guys. All I know is last night I did the peel one wet areas and then I basically just shut the door and went back inside. So, and my idea for today, it used to be right there. So I told you guys I was gonna make a new one of these. I was gonna just take this as a template and trace it out, but what I've decided to do is pause on that because personally I think that looks a little weird. The aluminum on the metal, right? Like that looks kind of funny. So what I was thinking is, I said aluminum on metal, but I meant aluminum on the gray. So what I'm thinking is I'm gonna sand this down and paint it black and see if I like it. And I'm just gonna sand it, paint it, and then install it. And then if I like it black, you know, we'll recut another one and paint it a nicer one. Cause we're gonna test it on that one before we go ahead and waste our time doing another one. And then we don't like it black, and then we gotta do another one. Some of you guys that are like, oh, you know, I told you guys voted for gray and that's why we went with gray. Dip Your Car has so many color options. Like there was a lot of other cool color options that I would have loved to have chose. Like they have a really good selection, but like I said, you guys chose the gray, that's why I went there. Well, there's a couple spots where I kind of messed up and I just didn't put the tape close enough to the edge. So I was like really worried about these edges coming off properly, and they actually came off like almost perfect. Yeah, there's gonna be a couple spots I have to go back and wipe, but what happened up here is I didn't bring the tape close enough, so now the tape is, or the dip is on this actual stripping. So I'm trying to just like gently scrape it, but without, you know, like causing too much damage. It's not a big deal, but it's just something to note. Like make sure you get your tape right to the edge, just because now it's gonna be a huge hassle just peeling all this dip that I shouldn't have to peel if I just did it right. Okay, I'm almost done. I spent some time going around the edges here and just kind of cleaning everything up. Everything looks pretty good. There's a couple spots that I haven't done yet, but like with the plate on and everything, the bag off the bottom, you see the exhaust, it honestly is coming together really well. Like it's starting to look like the Civ again. The only thing I have to do is take the bags off the wheels, but I'm just doing that to create hype for you guys because it still kind of looks like it's under construction with bags there. What I'm gonna do now is actually put the front lip back on. I accidentally left the plate outside when I painted it, and it got a little bit wet. So I put it on the heater here just to dry it up pretty quickly, and then when it's dry, we'll put it on. Probably gonna have to paint the screamer pipe for the 100 millionth time. I probably should have painted the Honda emblem because it's probably gonna look really stupid in silver. It's not bad. It's gonna go for now because I'd rather have it than holes, but it's gonna look okay for now. Are you guys ready to take the bags off the wheels and have a final reveal for this thing? For those of you guys that have stuck around, comment down below and say you stayed committed and you watched the video through without skipping this. For those of you that don't comment, I stayed committed. I know you didn't watch this, and I'm mad at you for it. We're not friends. How good does that look? We finally got a nice day. I finally got a chance to come out here, shoot the Civ for you guys. I'm super stoked that we got a good day to do this. I don't even know what to say. You guys picked the car, you guys picked the color, you guys picked the mods. You guys played such a big part in this, and it's wrapping itself up right now, and it's coming together very nicely, and I'm just beyond stoked. Like, I'm just so grateful for all of you guys and everything, every opportunity that you've brought me and Emerson and the channel and everything. And like, this car has come such a far way, and this is just the beginning. This is just our first car, like our first real build on the channel, and I'm just having one of those days where I'm just like, whoosh. I don't know, man. This is just, it's an incredible turnout, and I'm super stoked on it. So who knows, maybe we'll dip it another color another day, do something else one day, but for now, this is the final color change of the Civic. I think it looks pretty tight with the plate on it. Like I said, I painted the plate black. I'm gonna have to get that emblem, and I'm gonna have to make it black, or not get it, but I'm gonna have to paint it black. I'm gonna have to get this one because we never had one, and the car never came with it on this end. Little things we still got to do, but that's it, and I hope you guys are as stoked as we are on the final turnout of this car. It's not over by any means. We still have a bucket load of wish parts waiting to go on this thing, but at least now I'm comfortable showing it to you guys. Like, next year when I take this thing to shows, I'll be comfortable showing it to you guys, and that's what I was trying to get to. Like, I look at it now, and it looks like it's worth money. Before it was like, this thing's a million different colors, and what the hell are they doing to it? And now it's like, hey, that's a solid car. That's a good car. Like, that's probably worth a couple bucks. It's worth some wish credit, right? For those of you guys that are new and watching this video, make sure you're subscribed. For those of you guys that haven't been around in a while and just came back to see this thing get dipped, make sure you come back for more videos, because we do a lot of cool stuff in the videos. I'm not a clickbaity, title-y kind of guy, so you know, just because the title doesn't suck you in does not mean there's not amazing stuff. Oh, I got this really dirty. Does not mean there's not amazing stuff happening in every single video. So don't miss out on any of the videos. I will catch you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for all of this. We killed it. It looks sick. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much. Peace out and stay committed.